First door we are entering in Korea.
We're going to this restaurant. To Salon right now. And we are going to explore Daiso. Just check if there's anything we like. Oh my god! Korean celebration too. Hello, good morning. Welcome back to twinphosafamily. Today is our day one in Korea. So we are going to a different place in the morning. We're gonna eat something over there. I don't know the name of the place, but so we are on our way there. Tashi is at the front, and the three musketeers at the back. Beauties are here at the back. Okay, we just got off the cab.
Oh, okay.
Look at the. It's nice vibe. Very busy. This thing is very busy.
This is actually the first door we are entering in Korea. First door. Aji wants to buy a grabo. We don't really understand, but nice.
Convenience store door is there. Ki khara di? It's dog store.
그 중에도 누구 말아.
Dito lakwa tada walk hand ka jiri lakwa crack chike jiri. So, hingjala. Hello, repeat business kajrange. Aja in Aja's daughter. They have like some kind of program going over there for Children's Day. But I don't think we are gonna go over there. We're going to this restaurant. We're gonna have something to eat here. It's actually kind of late. We woke up late. It's almost 2. It's gonna be like late lunch. Every dish I see here, they look so good. I'm so confused, like what should I go with? The tteokbokki looks good. And the kitchen. Okay, banchan, the side dish. It looks very good. I think this is tofu, cucumber. Oh, so this is fish. This is cucumber. This is radish. Kimchi.
The vegetable there. Yeah, next.
Okay, so their dish. These are our dish. Kimbap, side dish. Ngaji di chu dinjeo mala bis.
Is it cool?
아직 이 김밥 같이다.
네, 같이요.
다시
여기서 찍어주시면.
하라.
여기.
빨개를 치. 다시까지 디디르다. Cold noodles. Buckwheat noodle. It's a Canada numshi chawagini cold ni salara.
My favorite dish.
Okay, looks so good. Now the non-veg stew. I'm gonna go with the radish. Người ta qua kia pha lú là sản So rice cha today is May 2nd, 3rd. So this is our first meal of the day. The gimbap is non-veg ra. So gimbap so this is gimbap non-veg. It has crab meat.
Differently, but look the same.
2 hours later.
Okay, we're in a salon right now, and we are going to me and Achi and Tinsyongmo, we are going to get our hair done. Achi and I are making it straight, and Tinsyongmo is making it curly. And they actually in Korea you really need to make an appointment, but luckily we got this place which is pretty big and they have lots of employees. And I think it's because since it's not in the city, it's a little bit outside the city, so we're able to get this appointment. Not appointment, it's kind of like walking. So we're getting our hair done, and I'm excited. And the cost is, they said $200. So I think it's 200 Canadian dollar. Getting colored. I think it's a chemical. I think it's chemical, yeah. Smells pretty strong. We'll see. I'm getting a hair wash. They put this like shield kind of thing, so the chemical doesn't drop into my eyes. So we are at the salon. Aji did her hair. Aji, how did you like? Show me back.
Yeah.
Gavlot in there. Yeah. Aji gavlot up here. Don't is nice. Yeah, good, nice. So this is me. I mean, I trimmed a little bit. So this is the finished product. Basically it's the same style, same thing. There are new hairs. Won't they straighten those? This is the salon. Nice. We are done and waiting for the rest of the group, and I just having.
We're waiting for the money.
Money to pay. Cheers. Aji eyes now hot. So now I'm gonna pay here. So they're comparing like whose hair is better, the curly or the straight. I'm the paparazzi. And Tashi, how do you feel? It's already 7 p.m.
No,
The day is almost over.
내가 정말 찼어.
내가 개쳐보 살아다. Oh my God! Tinsyongmo ngazugila delati gombake de saragla tada Korean celebrity tustada. I can't believe. You wanna see? Songjae! Ah, lovely runner Gajiro. We came back to the same place and it's late at night. Late at night, ra. Ani May 1st, 2nd, Tushara. Hello, the Namchi Tombuchagi Dira, spring though. I tell you, it's very chilly, especially morning, the evening. La. Chika Nimun Chawagara digging in Homasra, Nimulan, the Wacharagoda, show Hamba Gessa, like they're showing. So, Tupo giving La Dimashkimewa. The dear Kender, dear the Kango cheese. So I can end the video. Already. Hang on, We're going to Daiso. From Daiso, we are going to. I think the plan is we're gonna get something to eat. And in Korea, the nightlife is actually very active, and it feels kind of safe because last night we were out pretty late. It felt safe here. Safe lah na pani tham ni mangbu itu ra daytime do mangbu itu to comfortable do da dige already. Tashi, did you say it's like Dollarama? Oh, so Dollarama doors. They have very pretty stuff. Cute and pretty stuff. And this Daiso is what, Tashi, did you say like it's 3 floor? Wow, it's like 3 floor. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna explore Daiso. Just check if there's anything we like, and we're gonna shop towards the end of our vacation time. We don't wanna buy all this stuff and carry around with us, so we're gonna shop later, maybe like a couple of days later. Go up now. We are going up. Packaging. Yes, please. Yeah. The second floor is everything about household. Changma householders. And then the third one we're gonna check out later. These are all household. So they joined us. Aji and Aja and them, they dropped our luggage to Aja's place because we're staying at Aja's place today, and we're going to Busan tomorrow morning. Okay, the third floor is everything kitchen stuff. Oh my god, everything is 1 to 5 dirsha, $5 Canadian dollar. Their Korean 1,000 won is 1 Canadian dollar. So if it's the 2,000 is $2. Oh, some of the stuff are very good. 뜨다. 니 볼데 뜨다 켜. 한대 야고도. 어디 위너스 겼어요. $3 라 뜨다. 한대 야고도. 어디 배워. It's very good. Oh my god, 뜨다. tinjomo. Marza ro chigyal. Marza ro. Oh. Dire kuji the side dish very nice. This is my kind of store. I can shop here till I drop. Oh, looking for spoon. Oh wow! Tashi was looking for golden spoon in Toronto, but he found it here. But Tashi, don't they have like just a pack of just a spoon?
I know.
But we're not getting it today because we still have time, so we're gonna shop later. Okay, we're leaving Daiso now since we're not shopping anything, and they're closing at 10. It's almost 10. Okay, aja chui lo konjo di Daiso la dinia. Tweni legi do. We're now deciding what to eat. The group is here, but
Aloo fries fries
Like nice. Look at that. The cakes are so pretty. Pretty. Look at that Jenny cake. Wow, 이게 됐다. 가르쳐? 가르쳐 네 캐릭터 이름이 가르쳐? 뽀로로. 아니 피카츄 러르체스. 뽀로로. Baby shark. I don't know. Wow. Ninjala. There. Yeah, cake remove ninjala. Decoration ninjala. Jam the jo. Organic enough. Oh my god, look at that. This one looks good. Nice. Oh, so Aja got some bakes. Now we are headed out.
근데 차로 랑고 했었다. 나는 개발도 마찬가지야.
야야지.
$745 괜찮아 삼비도 얘기 삼발라.
Really? No. They have nice cookie stall. So now we're going for chicken and beer restaurant, Kanbu Chicken. So we are headed to Kanbu Chicken. They have nice front patio for summer. We're here.
아무것도 안 먹어가지.
오뎅도 빼고요.
오뎅도 빼고 떡볶이 오뎅 빼주고.
네.
떡만? 비건이시구나.
네, 한 명만.
오뎅 빼고 떡볶이.
오리지널 치킨, 프라이 치킨 네.
오리지널 치킨.
오리지널 프라이 치킨.
프라이드 치킨.
그리고 매운 거 있어요?
매운 거 한 바베큐. 아주 매운 거 찾으세요? 아주 매운 거 한 바베큐.
Our pitcher beer is here now. And 4 of us are having the beer. And Jia is having a juice. And Momula is having sparkling wine. Just a little bit of sparkling Delek.
17%.
So this is Tashi, is this tteokbokki with the chicken? Wow. So this is rice cake with chicken, and we have side dish. Rice almost done. Tteokbokki is here. And cheese ball with now fried chicken with beer. So today we actually came for this. This is called Chibek. Chibek.
치킨.
Mare, where the chicken laida? Chibek. So this is called popular chibek here. Chicken and bekchu. Chibek. So we're having chibek today. And Ajibaranju, since she's vegetarian, she's having tteokbokki and then cheese ball and fries. We all shared. And we have chicken with tteokbokki. Then we have unlimited. Okay. Then we have more chicken here. Already. So I'm trying the chicken and the tteokbokki.
전부 다 네. 하나도 이거.
Very spicy.
뭘 마시죠? 여기요. 물 한다고. 그리고 소금 주세요.
그만. 내가 가만 돼. 내가.
소금이야?
네.
아주 야, 저만 들어주세요. 전부 돼. Now I'm trying the tteokbokki.
이게 했어요. 여기 우리 있어요. 여기 하나 들어봤어. 네. 좀 여기 좀 쉬어봐 이렇게.
tteokbokki야. Side dish. Oven roast together. Kilo crunchy, boot small soft. It's very good. Now I'm trying the chicken, fried chicken. Either it's sweet, fried, karinareda, enjoy
플라스틱 왜? 락과 이렇게.
Oh my god, good. Daring is dinner the protein sugar Irish. Good. Love it. So today is our day 1. Day 1 is coming to an end and it was a very productive day. We did our day 1 I want to travel day. So it's been like a very productive day. We did our hair as planned and we wanted to stroll around the local neighborhood and that's what we did. And we're having the popular chibe. Okay, so we had delicious kala. Since it's not too late, we are going to 노래방. Okay, so we are going to karaoke 노래방. See ya. The elevator good shot. See ya. So we are at number 3. So we are at Salon number 3. Oh, this one is nice. So we are in number 3. We're gonna karaoke. Karaoke chingin the jaga in the P energy can you wear the What's this call for drowning? Did we drown? So you know something? Go easy on me. Sorry,
Okay, what's
I had no time to choose what I chose to do. So heal the world around me. Next 시작합니다.
Beyonce, Anna. Oh, hello, hello.
Baby, let me see your hello. You know you want to say it red. You ain't looking at me anymore. Bring your lovely face. Baby, I can see your hello. Rain won't fade away. 영화는 계속 끼우셔보라.
Takara score yung ting mil kara nga kasi pudi.
Please select. Please select. Please select something. Oh, let's see. Let's see what Hello is gonna do. 90. Wow. Wrap is aloo deh, wrap aloo. इतना सन्नाटा क्यों है भाई? So they're in this convenience store. Let's see. Let's check it out. Oh, what is this? It's pretty much empty.
Except soft kachi.
Oh. It's a self-service convenience store. Very nice. The door is like pretty much open. Mostly it's snack. I think it's snack for people who wants like late night snack. So this is where you pay for yourself. Very nice. Oh, okay. And then they're watching. $8?
80 cents, right?
Oh, okay. And that $1.80? Aji is gonna mix up the drink. And you grab the ice and you get the drink from the top. So Aji got ice hazelnut. So you just shower. I think it's super for summer, yeah.
I hope it's no sugar. Otherwise, I'm gonna cry.
Let's see, Aji.
I don't think I opened it right.
Oh, looks good.
Put everything.
I think that's how they design it. The whole thing's gonna fit in. It's not gonna overflow. Whoa.
아니.
Let's.
So I will now do the verdict.
Hello.
I'm just hoping that it's with no sugar. Ew.
You don't like it?
I take it back, actually.
It's nice.
It's a little bit of sugar, but it's okay.
Okay, I'm gonna end today's video here. Thank you very much to our viewers and all of our subscribers. Thank you so much. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe to the channel, and we will really appreciate it. Thank you so much. And we will see you on next video, Korea vacation trip day 2 video. So until then, bye. See ya.